Hi guys, welcome back to another Android home screen setup video. That means this is episode 4 of the best Nova Launcher setup series. This setup is very beautiful and functional. Before we get into the video, I'd like to give a quick shout out to Jason Stevenson for subscribing to my channel. I thank you for the support. Alright, let's see what this setup is made of. First of all, as always, let's look at the background of this setup. This beautiful wallpaper, which I think is from Walpy Wallpapers. I'll have it linked in the video description, so just grab it and apply it on your home screen. The next is the icon pack used in this setup. It is called Xline Icon pack and is totally free to download from the Play Store. It has over 5,000 icons that can mask almost all the icons on your home screen and in the app drawer. It will also mask unthemed icons like these to make your app drawer look amazing. With the correct wallpaper, you can create awesome home screen setups like this one. Again, it's free to download, link is in the description. The widget I have on the top of the home screen is from a very beautifully packed KWGT widget pack called Vanilla KWGT. This widget pack has some beautiful widgets that you can use to create amazing home screen setups. The one on the home screen has 2 tabs that shows the date and weather information, widget number 104 to be precise. It also shows the battery level. Vanilla KWGT is free to download, but you need the KWGT Pro in order to use it. The widget on the bottom of the page is a music widget from the KWGT widget pack called Nebbia Kwgt, precisely widget number 39. Aside showing the now playing music, it also has music controls to navigate your music list and also pause and play. Nebbia KWGT is free, but again you need the Pro version of KWGT before you can use it. The launcher used is Nova Launcher, and I've created a backup file to make it simple for you to set up the launcher. Once you've downloaded it, go to the Nova Launcher settings, go to backup and restore settings and restore it from your downloads. What it does is that you have the same launcher settings I have on my Android device on yours as well. So you won't have to set the grid sizes, icon sizes, app drawer settings yourself. So download the backup file and load it. The Google search widget on the home screen is the search bar of the default Google app. You can get it in the widget section after you long press on the home screen. I made a little customization to it. To do so, after you brought the search bar onto the home screen, just open the Google app, go to More, tap on the Customize widget, and there you can customize the search bar. I did this one according to the feel of the whole setup. After you done that, just hit the done at the top and that's it. Now let's look at some other applications that also contribute to this home screen setup. Month Calendar widget is a very clean calendar widget with many themes you can use. Very minimal, and you should definitely use it. It has a standard version and a pro version. The latter has this beautiful transparent theme unlocked. Another wallpaper app I use aside Walpy Wallpapers is Walldrobe. It also has the same wallpapers as Walpy Wallpapers. I believe they are all clients of unsplash.com or something like that. So that's it for this beautiful Nova Launcher home screen setup. I hope you enjoy using it. Links to everything mentioned in this video is in the description, so go ahead and download them for the setup. Thanks for watching the video. If you enjoyed it, please consider subscribing to my channel and also like and share this video. As always, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.